Hello everybody, my name is Cristian Jesus Gonzalez de la Cruz, and today I will talk a little about the subject of automated manufacturing systems. Specifically, I will talk about computer-aided manufacturing. Computer-aided manufacturing commonly refers to the use of computer numerical control software application to create detailed instructions that write machine tools for manufacturing parts controlled numerically by computer. Manufacturers of different industries depend on CAM's capabilities to produce high-quality parts. Computer-aided manufacturing offers significant advantage over more traditional methods of controlling manufacturing equipment with computer instead of with human operators. In general, CAM equipment involves the elimination of operator errors and the reduction of labor costs. CAM systems can maximize the use of the wide range of production equipment, including high-speed, 5-axis, multifunctional, and turning machines, electrical discharge, machining, and CMM equipment inspections. Advanced CAM systems interfaces with product life cycle management, PLM, provide manufacturing planning and production personnel with data and process management to ensure the correct use of standard data and resources. The CAM and PLM systems can be integrated with DNC systems for delivery and administration of files to CNC machines on the production floor. Well, as we know, the work of manufacturing is to manufacture of produced objects or merchandise, either manually or by a mechanical means. And now I will also talk about flexible manufacturing systems. And now, the flexible manufacturing systems are formed by a group of machines and auxiliary equipment united by means of a control and transport systems that allow to manufacture parts in automatic form. The advantage of SFA is its great flexibility in terms of little effort and little time required to manufacture a new product. They can be designed in very defined ways depending on the number of machines possessions, measurement, control, types of transportation of parts and tools and types of control. In addition, other types of work are automated, such as loading and unloading, transport, storage, or securing of the parts, which form a subsystem of the material flow. There are two main types of flexible manufacturing system. Yes, linear system. Yeah. The basic systems of a flexible manufacturing system are the workstations, the automatic handling of materials and parts, and the control systems. The type of machines in workstation depend on the type of production. For machining operations, 3 to 5 CNCs are typically used, such as lathes and machining centers, as well as some other automatic inspections. Equipment for measurement, assembly, and cleaning. Other types of operation for MFEs include rolling, pressing, forging. These include heat, forming machines, curing press, heat treatment, as cleaning equipment. The stations of the SFM are distributed to provide the highest efficiency in the production, taking as a criterion the flow of materials, parts of the products through the systems. The flexibility of these manufacturing systems is a function of material handling, storage, and product recovery. The handling of material is controlled by a central computer and executed automatically by guided vehicles, such as conveyors and various transfer mechanisms. In these systems, some materials and parts can be transported during several stages to complete an operation in random order. SFM programming clearly specifies the types of operations that must be performed for each part, and identifies the machines of manufacturing cells to be used. Dynamic programming is able to respond to rapid change in product type, and thanks to this, decisions can be taken immediately. Thanks to the flexibility of the SFM, does not waste preparation time in changing manufacturing operations, since the system is capable of performing different operations in different order and in different machines. There are three ways to pass the piece through the machining positions, keeping the sequence in sequence with the possibility of omitting some positions or in free sequence. There are also two forms of transportation and fastening: opening with pallet and without pallet. The material flow subsystems in the flexibility systems are formed by central warehouse, waiting room in the central warehouse, loading and unloading station, conveyor workstation, intermediate feeder, waiting stations, manipulator, and pallet system.
The next topic is application of design and computer-aided manufacturing. The emergence of CAD/CAM has had a great impact on manufacturing by standardizing the development of products and reducing efforts in design, testing, and prototype work. This has made it possible to reduce costs significantly and improve productivity. Some of the characteristic applications of computer-aided manufacturing are computerized numerical control and industrial robots, quality and inspection, for example, coordinate measuring machine programmed in a CAD/CAM workstation, planning and scheduling process, design of dies and casting modes that, for example, contraction tolerance are programmed, design of tools and sockets and electrodes for EDM, distribution plant. Examples of this type of software are CAMWorks, CAMPLA, Ficus VisualCAM, GipsCAM, SprutCAM, Unigraphics, WorkNC, and any more. The manufacturing cells are a set of electromechanical components that work in a coordinated manner for the manufacture of a part of industrial part, requirement, or a finished product, as the case may be. The manufacturing cells allow the manufacture in series of said products. They are an excellent tool that has been strongly used in companies that are immersed in the lean manufacturing philosophy. There are several types of manufacturing cells known as flexible cells in use. Flexible manufacturing cells. In general, the flexible manufacturing cells are not attended by humans, so their design and operation must be more precise than those of the other cells. The selection of machines and robots, including the types and capacities on an effector and their control system, are important to have a correct operation of the cell. The probability of appreciable change in the demand of families of parts must be considered during and design to ensure that the equipment involved has the correct flexibility and capacity.